And we're live. How you doing? This is Richard, commercial real estate, local Los Angeles specialist for industrial properties and industrial lease contracts and lease negotiations. I am your guy in the LA area, Inland Empire, San Fernando Valley, Orange County. But I'm starting to do deals outside of California as well. So Arizona, Texas, Florida, New York, Tennessee. I'm working all deals everywhere. And today we're reviewing the standard AIR lease contract. We have a negotiation going right now with a tenant and a landlord, and I'm representing the tenant, of course, because landlords already have representation. They have all the tools, they have money, they have power, they can do a lot of things, so they don't need additional help from me. Who needs my help is the tenants. Tenants are definitely always taken advantage of on these lease contracts and any lease negotiations. So you got to really have somebody who's going to give you the pros and cons of every lease contract. A lot of them are drafted by attorneys, or the fair landlords use, in my opinion, AIR contracts, which are a little bit better. So you got to watch out for these custom contracts that they have lawyers draft and put all kinds of stuff in there that is not in the best interest of tenants. So that's what I do. Reading through this, I'm not an attorney. I'm not giving legal advice. I'm giving you some information as a tenant representative to help you identify concerns in a lease contract prior to you signing or renewing a lease with your landlord. Did you know that, here's a fun fact, if you stay beyond your lease contract, then your landlord can use something over you. It is commercial tenants, by the way. Industrial property specifically is what I do. But if you read the AIR contract, it states in there that the landlord can increase the rent by up to sometimes 100 and 200%. So if you're paying $20,000 a month in rent for your commercial property for your landlord, and your lease expires 36 months, whatever the case is, 37 month, your landlord may not say anything. Hey, we're buddies, just go ahead and stay longer and no big deal, right? Wrong. He will hit you with a bill at any time. Surprise! Those 2 or 3 months you stayed after your lease expired and you didn't renew and you didn't give me a notice that you were moving out or anything like that, I can use this against you in court, and I can charge you 100% above your rent. So if your rent's $20,000, you now owe me $40,000 for 3 months worth of rent that you paid me the standard 20 grand a month. That was your basic rent, but your holdover rate is higher than the standard rental rate that was before. So you now owe me that amount of money. Good luck. Anyway, that's one example. What I usually focus on in these lease contracts, and I'm looking for, is something very important. Alright, I'm going to try and show it to you without showing you any information regarding this particular contract. So I'm not going to show you where is it? So there's so much stuff in here, it's crazy. You got to really be careful. Here's the main paragraph. So condition. So as you can see, the condition is being delivered. Lessor is the landlord. Lessor should deliver this portion of the premises contained within building unit, blah, 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 to lessee, broom clean, free of debris, on the commencement date or early possession date, whatever occurs first. Okay? Standard, no problem there. Everything looks good. As long as the required service contracts described below are obtained by lessee within 30 days following the start date that warrants existing electrical, plumbing, fire sprinkler, lighting, heating, ventilating, air conditioning system, HVAC, loading doors, slug pumps, and any other such elements of the unit constructed by lessee shall be in good operating condition on the said date, that the structural elements of the roof, bearing walls, and foundation of the unit shall be free of material defects. Now that's a very important fact right there. That means the landlord has to ensure that the property is in good operating condition and that is free of any material defects that are known to him. So if he knows the roof is not in the best shape, he knows it. Let's just say he had a roofer go up there and tell them it's going to cost $60,000 to replace the roof, and he chooses not to. That is evidence of him trying to take advantage of a tenant, put it on the tenant. After their 30 days is up, they didn't know the roof was bad, neither the landlord, allegedly. And guess who's going to be paying for a new $60,000 roof now? You, the tenant. So you better damn well ask for that paperwork and say, hey, where's the copy of the roof warranty? I'd like to see it, please. What's the, HVAC maintenance records? Can I see those, please? Can you send me a copy? Right? These are things we have to watch out for and be aware of. Anyway, that's my tip for today. Hope you enjoyed this stuff. If you didn't, change the channel. If you did, stay tuned for more.